Hey, I am Dr. Shiza. I am a physiotherapist. Welcome to Medico's Notebook. To make a perfect resume as a physiotherapist, you should follow these tips. Number 1 tip: tailor your resume to the job. Meaning, just take the time to read the job description and identify the key skills and qualifications that the employer is looking for. Use this information to tailor your resume to the job you're applying for. Secondly, start with a strong objective. In this, your objective statement should clearly state your career goals and how you can benefit the organization. Then third tip: highlight your education. In this, include your degree, certifications, and any relevant coursework or training. List any honors, awards, or scholarships you have received. Number 4, showcase your skills. Highlight your skills and areas of expertise such as manual therapy, exercise prescription, and patient assessment. Number 5, then provide details of your experience. Detail your work experience, including your job title, duties, and accomplishments. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and highlight your most important achievements. Number 6, include relevant keywords. Use relevant keywords from the job description to make sure your resume passes through applicant tracking systems. Number 7, highlight any special achievements. If you have any special achievements or awards, make sure to include them in your resume. Number 8, proofread. Check for any errors, typos, or formatting issues before submitting your resume. Number 9, keep it concise. A good resume should be no more than 2 pages long. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.